In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change calendar type in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know how to switch the main project calendar, build a custom calendar that matches your organization's schedule, and apply a different calendar to specific tasks when needed. Think of calendars in Microsoft Project as the rules that define working days and hours. The base calendars you'll see include standard, 24 hours, and night shift, and you can also create your own. Let's start with the most common change, setting the project calendar. With your project open, go to the Project tab and select Project Information. In the Calendar drop-down, choose the calendar you want to use, such as Standard, 24 hours, Night Shift, or any custom calendar you've created. Click OK to confirm. This updates the main calendar for the entire project, so it affects default working times, durations, and how Microsoft Project schedules tasks unless a task or resource is using its own calendar. If the built-in calendars don't match your real-world schedule, you can create or edit a calendar. Go to Project, then change working time. Click Create New Calendar. You'll be asked whether you want to create a new base calendar from scratch or copy one of the existing options like Standard, 24 hours, or Night Shift. Give your calendar a clear name, such as 6-day workweek, so it's easy to recognize later. Next, adjust days and hours under the Workweeks tab. This is where you define which days are working days and set the exact start and end times for each day. When you're done, click OK. Your custom calendar is now available to use just like the built-in ones. Sometimes, only certain tasks need a different schedule. To apply a calendar to an individual task, double-click the task to open task information. Go to the Advanced tab, open the Calendar drop-down, and pick the calendar that should govern that task. Click OK. This task will now be scheduled according to that calendar, which can be helpful for night-only work, weekend shifts, or time-bound activities. A quick tip before we wrap up. The project calendar sets the default timing, but resource calendars and task calendars can override it. If your dates don't look right, check which calendar is set at the project level, then inspect task calendars and any resource calendars assigned to those tasks. Calendar conflicts are a common cause of unexpected schedules, and a quick review usually resolves them.